Welcome back. So today we are reviewing O Horizon, a new sci-fi drama that explores grief, artificial intelligence, and the growing role technology plays in our emotional lives. While the film features a touching central performance and some thought-provoking ideas, it doesn't quite reach the full potential of its fascinating premise. The story follows Abby, played by Maria Bakalova, a neuroscientist who is still struggling with the death of her father several months after his passing. As she prepares to visit her family for the first time since the loss, she finds herself emotionally stuck and unable to move forward. At the same time, she is working on an ambitious scientific project that's approaching a major breakthrough, but her personal grief is making it difficult to focus. Everything changes when Abby discovers a company called Make a Friend. The service uses artificial intelligence to recreate deceased loved ones by analyzing emails, videos, text messages, and other digital records. With enough information, the AI can generate conversation that feel remarkably authentic. Tempted by the possibility of hearing her father's voice again, Abby decides to create an AI version of him. At first, the experience brings comfort and emotional relief. Abby feels as though she has regained a connection she thought was lost forever. But as their conversation continues, old frustration and unresolved conflict begin to surface. The AI doesn't simply tell Abby what she wants to hear. Instead, it behaves much like her father did when he was alive, forcing her to confront difficult emotions she has been avoiding. The film uses this concept to explore a larger question: can technology truly help us heal, or does it sometimes prevent us from dealing with reality? O Horizon suggests that while technology can ease emotional pain, relying on artificial solution may stop people from growing through life's challenges. Another interesting aspect of the movie involves Abby's neuroscience research. Her team is developing technology that could potentially recreate experience and sensations in the human brain. The film imagines a future where people might eliminate discomfort through technology, but it questions whether removing pain also removes opportunities for personal growth. One of the film's greatest strengths is Maria Bakalova's performance. She brings genuine emotion and vulnerability to Abby's journey, making her grief feel authentic and relatable. Her work carries much of the film's emotional weight. However, the film's biggest weakness is that it doesn't explore its AI concept as deeply as it could. In a world where AI is already becoming part of everyday life, audience may expect tougher questions about identity, ethics, and authenticity. Instead, O Horizon focuses more on emotional themes than technological ones. In the end, O Horizon is a thoughtful and heartfelt sci fi drama with meaningful ideas about grief, memory, and healing. While it may not be the most exciting or groundbreaking version of its story, it still offers an emotional experience driven by a strong lead performance and a message about learning to face life's pain rather than escape it. Have you seen O Horizon, or would you trust an AI recreation of a loved one? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.